dear. Please stop crying. Stop crying. Because I know wherever the general is right now, he would not want to see you cry. Move that boy. This word is wicked. I am very sure that wherever he is right now, he would want you to move on.
Jesus. Hey, what's going on here?
Some of you don't know how to talk.
When did you get that discussion? I said, go and beg you.
It's your boy OBIKING and welcome back to another episode of my comedy reaction. I've got lots of fantastic and hilarious videos right here for you guys to watch. So all you have to do is to sit down, relax and watch to the very end. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Make sure. Drop nice comments, guys. Drop nice comments. Let's go have some fun.
If you move, I go blow your head now.
This kind of rubbish be this now. Money not in this house now.
Oga, give them money now, make them go now. There's no money in this house. Why you doing like this now? Even for face of death like this, and you see they stingy. Yeah, why?
Oh God! Ojukwu, why give me wrong information now?
Hey! You cannot test be this now, eh? And this one to tell you call my name, to call my name. Small information what I just give you now. You just go they call my name.
I wonder. That's me, killer.
Thank God.
Very wicked man. I think black. Wicked. Black.
Let's go know the work now.
What do you mean?
Which one say go no? They want me I let go for now. I don't know where I let for now. Give me to go. Jesus! It's God pray for me and you. Mama, that's how I die you.
Now so you die.
Solo.
This guy no get sense.
I beg you fast. I want shit.
Madam, sure say na shit one shit on a pikin one born.
Burna boy.
Women are too fast oh. I want go walk oh.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Philip, I beg, I will call you back. I want shit.
Come be the shout when they shout. Now no shit again.
Oh wow. How so if you say now only if you man where they stay for this? Let this guy they pack all these women from the come.
Hurry up, come outside now. I got work to go. No get work to come back.
You get work, you don't get work.
Oh, hurry, come outside.
Let's have it.
Toilet don't full.
Jesus!
You know feel this out.
Jesus.
Which one be toilet don't full? Now when I want shit, now toilet full.
You never see her.
And they never leave.
Toilet don't full.
Eventually.
No.
So
They
you
call
make
them.
una come pay 500 make you take pack sock away. If I call your name, you come this side. Mama Thursday. Mama go forward.
You and this your tenant.
Don't waste my time. Mama no man.
Come on, no man. You remember Antinos? I remember
Mama is
Antinos.
You don't talk about the kids in this compound. Carry belle. What did they do with buckets?
Jesus.
I want shit.
You don't get money, you want shit. Okay, pack out.
This guy no get sense.
Neighbor, this your cloth too go where? You too make sense. Shut up, no dey hate me. I know say you no like me.
That's true. I don't like you. See as your perfume they smell like cooking gas.
You don't pay house rent.
As you dey come on now, you go buy.
Landlord will soon pursue you.
Idiot. Ma go visit my baba. This boy don't do that alive. That's really healthy.
So you know they happy say the guy there alive.
Enter for me, John. Enter where? You don't see when I stop this blind and when the boy enter. I see him now. Are you kidding me? He enter. He enter for me, John. 7-6, come up with you. Nobody I give him, you know. Why you both lying? You don't see when I stop this blind and when the boy enter. I see him now. When I stuck up for.
Waiting be
You really need to stop lying because it hurts. Okay. It hurts so much. I don't play again.
This guy will always do like it.
Man. I said I'm sorry, I'm so sorry.
Man, they talk I'm sorry now.
Man, I picked up with this man, they call that in
Man, they talk no vex.
I said I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Bible say when I see the blood, I'll do it.
What are you saying?
Which blood you see when you pass over?
From the heart of my heart,
General,
I have come with this to tell you how I feel about you.
what did I eat?
My dear.
Like that, don't go.
Stop crying. Stop crying. Because I know wherever the general is right now, he would not want to see you cry.
Who tell you say no go want to see her cry? Baba no open
I am
eyes.
very sure that wherever he is right now, he would want you to move on.
Jesus.
What's going on here?
Some of you don't know how to talk.
When did you get that discussion?
No, I just want to know.
Can you say if I tell me you tell my babe, make she move on?
Just leave me make I go to bed.
You just
Go
want
to
to
the
your mouth like washing machine. With your nose like pepper.
Go like that,
No, I just want to know. Why?
Well, call me if you need anything, okay?
Oga, that's the way you talk. Repeat him again.
I don't want trouble.
I think this man don't. I won't give him blue. I say no.
You are from an African home.
Let me give you something to enjoy yourself with.
For me.
Yes, for you. Give it to yourself. Don't give to
Don't give to
nobody.
anybody.
You know they say give us never lack. They don't lack.
They will collect the money. They will collect the money if I hear say no.
Daddy. Mommy.
Then they wait for you.
What's going on here?
Hello, motherfucker.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Put that for you, Oga.
For my family, I be stubborn.
Let's have it.
You must produce that money.
What's going on here?
Papa, my son. Me, I won't get money. All my friends are Diamond, they're Shegu, super house for Banana Island for Lekki. Okay, I just pay for Ojukwu Lake, it's so far. I want my friend, I go direct with him, I come to say you will make him get money.
Direct you, the person like you. I hear a 9 that they run out.
I go so.
We just pray.
You go do anything what I tell you, may you do.
Papa, I go feel ready by blockers.
Ah.
I already use that to get money.
You ready to do anything?
Anything.
Child, for you to make money.
I won't get money. I won't.
You want use some blockers?
Lavish lifestyle.
You want me baller?
I want be baller.
Just pray.
No one, my son. I'll go help you out. You go get money. Pass down the thing.
Something way bad for this shit.
Pass down good if I hear.
Okay.
Yes,
If I Elon Musk, if I hear, they play. They play.
You have me a solo manga. After mommy go, you know. I'm born again. Shay! My son. Congratulations. You go get back that money. You see this powder? They call it spiritual powder.
Yes, Baba.
Now spiritual powder they inside this thing. I will give you now.
Yes, Baba.
Anybody where you want use for the ritual. Carry this powder, blow this powder for the person face. Anybody where you want use, you will blow this powder for that person face. 3 times.
You go get money?
The person go turn to money.
Just like that.
No shall so, but the money will go there. The money where you go spend. All your whole generation will spend that, but the money no go finish.
Baba say God.
They don't work again. The money no go finish.
He shock you.
Now so the money till they come.
My son, we are taking it. Okay, and the powder be that you go just blow this powder for that person face. Person where you want use.
3 times.
3 times.
Baba like this.
This guy don't get sense, so.
I don't go play for Baba so boy.
You use Baba take do money. Person give you powder.
Oh my God, get money. Miracle, not the fire, Jesus. Hey.
No, Jesus. My son shrine. You use herbalist to do money. This guy no get sense.
Say make I marry better man. See the cost where I carry put for my life.
This guy no get sense.
Come, madam. What do you know that? Don't make of my ear. Allow me concentrate.
I don't go be come cheap on. You make you concentrate with it. To say that so you take concentrate make money for don't pay landlord sleep for house this night. See the kind disgrace where you give me for street. Landlord pursue me for house. They even people they carry money, I carry man. Shameless man.
Man, keep quiet. Am I the first man to owe rent? Eh? You know they make you stay with me. Like, oh, no church you do not have G. Take church you do not have G. I will go sleep for church. Leave you.
Immediately angels see you, they go lock the door. Because look at your face.
Ancestral
cause. You two out.
I like you.
This man call him wife. I don't know the kind of woman they want as well. No, na divorce, no great divorce. Every day when I go, they disturb me for him. No money for our strength. They don't send them come for us.
How are you?
Good sir.
What's going on?
Nah, good evening.
You don't know where you are going. The first you went God give me be like that.
It's serious matter.
What happened?
Never smart, you know. Landlord don't push me come for house. I can't even give me time. Never stand no go pay.
Haba! At this point in your life, landlords are still chasing you around.
Nah, you have seen it though. He's the one that carry all the costs in you people family. You use it as sew garments.
No! Don't tell me that. What cost are you talking about?
No mind am. Na sachet. Enough of alcohol. Which should they take?
There's no cost in the family. Don't you have a smartphone?
I have a smartphone.
And you have access to the internet?
Yes.
Don't you know you can be making money with your smartphone?
How?
Let me introduce you to Coach Kingsley. He's an affiliate marketer. With Coach Kingsley, you can be making $100 to $500 per week.
Seriously?
Yes. By simply promoting useful products online. No prior qualifications are required. All you need to do now is to click the link in the comment section and join his group.
Just like that.
And you start earning money.
You don't hear him? Coach Kingsley is an affiliate marketer. All I have to do is to click the link in the comment section and join. And start making $100 to $500 weekly. By promoting this product. They say I'm trying to be a millionaire. My brother.
Yes.
Small problem there.
Okay.
Can we just pass a night?
You're asking me. Go ahead, you're my brother.
Wow, we must not know. Jim go see a
woman won't sleep.
Why not sleep here before they put this mat?
Oga, I beg if you see me now, you go see say my voice and everything about me don't lay down. Because all the trek and the embarrassment we are don't.
When I dey person house, constantly they quarrel again.
Oga, on action now, we don't wait now. Waiting be that one now.
You don't say you want to sweep this my brother house before he place this thing here.
I don't go sweep up.
Now wow. Now person house.
My friend, you don't do that in my house. Are you okay?
Okay, I respect you so much. For start, please go inside your room and sleep. I want to question this woman. Because you know nothing about marriage. You say nothing about marriage. You know divorce or what? What? Allow me to question this woman.
Jesus. For a house.
So it has gotten to that extent, Abi?
You can't go.
Madam, you and your husband should pack your things and get out of now.
Okay. Not because I'm not.
Get out! Both of you out.
I don't blame you.
This guy don't get sense.
Get out!
Get out! I'm not here.
Out! Out of my house.
Person wey wants to help you again when you sleep. You go there, go there insult her.
I don't have to cost the follow you. I don't have to know even
This world can be something else.
Oh my God! This guy no get sense. One sense, you no get. One sense.
What's up, food? You try to come back and not buy bread. Come give me.
Small children.
You know that's the country don't add. See, make I tell you. You know no say just for me to give up promises. And that's it. Just for TikTok and Instagram. He will do giveaway for you. I want to kill my share. You know, be my share. Okay, make a follow one. The play. Wow, you might get update too.
Where did they sell this for small children from come?
Who they? I want to drop on a transfer.
Okay, how much?
Now Azul carry.
100K. I don't understand for some people. Why would they send their child to withdraw a huge amount of money? What if they steal it along the way?
Still waiting. Let me get any problem.
Come on, shut up. Where do you get 100K from?
Jesus.
When I was at your age, I didn't even have 5K. Did I ever have account by then?
What?
By the way, you're even with Kaki and Azu. They already started living fake life as small as you are. See, in fact, just get out from here. Leave here! Come on, get out! Hey, children of nowadays.
That's what people go carry Azu, carry Kaki. And we draw on Reiki.
Madam.
Agent, well done.
Now for you.
Before tomorrow, I should pack out. Agent, I should leave here.
What's that for there?
Oh, I just waited here yesterday.
Rented art, not stress me. I don't know this. I still don't want anybody for this outside again.
Okay, I beg. Who is the owner? Let me talk to him now. Give me his number. I beg.
Okay, sure, say no be that small boy.
Plus 142
142 US
703 49. Now your WhatsApp number be that if you like, they call her for normal call.
Thank you.
Now that small boy. What's that?
Hello, sir.
Hello, who is this?
Good evening, sir. I'm the one that rented the front of your house for my POS business. The agent just came here and said I should pack out. So I just rented here yesterday.
Yes, now me tell me come give you that quick notice. I come with drop money for your hand. See the way you talk to me and you have been and say you talk to customer.
Jesus.
Oh, it was you. I'm sorry, sir.
Now normal thing she do now. That's more picking like that. No. Babe, no verse, I beg. Now the right thing you do, I beg. You do the right thing.
You see that man right there? That man. Go there
Fresh
and go
albino.
ask whether he go fit do exactly like this. So his design.
If I hear say
go fit do exactly like this.
No problem.
Go ask him.
If I hear say fresh albino go fit do one. If I hear say fresh albino go fit do one. This one.
Good morning, how are you?
Hi, sir. That is my boss over there.
Boss with that?
Yes, and he said I should ask you if he can recreate this exact design for him.
Let me see.
Can you do it?
No, I can do this now.
You go break the screen now.
I can do this now. What are they eat chop food now?
You sure I can do this?
I feed my family with this.
Okay, but I'll go and get back to him to tell him your video to reply.
But sir, there's a little bit problem.
What is it?
I don't know. I really don't have a smartphone that I can use in copying this design to my own. I don't know if your boss can actually help me and wait for a few minutes.
No.
Sir, this thing will not take long. I will just knock it now and give you.
He won't like it.
So I'm just trying.
Okay, there's no problem. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Don't worry. Yeah? Okay, no problem. Let me get back to you. No problem. Okay, thank you, sir. No problem.
You leave phone for him.
Few minutes, I'm not wasting.
Why you keep your phone for ground?
Yes.
He say it's a big one. But he say he won't use your phone to get the design.
I'm on Nigeria.
My phone. Come on, go bring my phone for me. Come bring my phone.
Okay.
This guy Momo.
Jesus!
Okay, your case has already landed to Odumeje altar.
What Mela is it, Chimo?
This guy no get sense.
See, Chimo.
You still don't like him.
What is going on now, sir? Are you okay, sir? Is everything well? Sure, it's fine.
And you still don't like him.
Sir, we feel. Sir, what is the problem?
This guy no get sense. This has been no get Namu. I swear.
Thank you very much, sir. Like I don't have any money here. I'll see tomorrow, yeah?
Ask now.
Yes, sir.
Card of transfer, sir.
Hey! I forgot to tell you, my phone is in 1%. You know if I do transfer it to work. So I'll see you tomorrow, yeah?
How far back, yes, sir?
Charge him. Find another line.
I forget to tell you, see, my phone screen is not good again. Even though you come and see now, even though it charges, it not work. Let me see tomorrow.
Excuse.
I have the engineer, yes, sir.
Even carry screen come. You don't give you don't give man the 100 naira. The man just dey find reason wey go make am no pay the guy, but the guy outsmart am, you know. And it's funny that both of them are wearing an Arsenal jersey. Thank you guys for sticking to the very end. I really appreciate it. What do you like most in this very video? You understand? Just drop it in the comment section. And please make sure to check out my channel for other fantastic videos all over. There's so many of them there. See you in my next video, guys. Peace out.